Hi, Fluor Communicators. It's Lisa Branch, part of the PR committee team, and I am here to tell you about one more tool that we have added to our club, and that is a wireless presenter. If you're doing a PowerPoint presentation or something similar, maybe Google Slides, this is what you'll want to use so that you don't have to stand right next to your laptop and push the advance. Okay, the way that it works is it has on the end here, it has a little USB dongle. I think that's the proper term. And it works with a PC, it works with a Mac. You just plug this into your USB drive, kind of like where a wireless mouse would go, and that will connect you to the presenter wand. Okay, first thing you need to know is there's an on-off switch on the side. Make sure it's on, okay? And then you're going to see, this is when I turned it on, it has a blue dot that lets you know that it's connecting to the receiver, okay? And then it just has a couple simple buttons. The ones that you'll probably use the most, if you need to point at something in your presentation, oh, there you go. You can see it there. It's that little red laser light. So if you're pointing at something in your presentation, you can zoom in on it using that little laser light show. To advance your slide, you're going to click this arrow button. If you need to go back, you're going to click the other arrow button. And if you have something on your slide that requires you to click in it, maybe there's a link to play a video or something like that, that's the top button. Okay, if you need to adjust the volume, there's actually a little volume adjuster right here on the side. Okay, so instead of either being tied or tethered to your laptop during a presentation, or having to move over, or having to make those little hand signals to somebody else to advance your slides for you, you can simply hold this wireless presenter and click on it in order to move your slides. This is a great addition to our club. I hope that you find it helpful, especially when you are doing those presentations where you need to be using presentation software, or you're choosing to use a visual aid that uses the presentation software or something online as well. So if you need it, please ask our Sergeant at Arms and test it out before you give your presentation. Arrive a few minutes early, plug it in, make sure you're familiar with how it works. Oh, and don't forget, when you're done, just turn it off, so that way we don't have to replace the battery too often, right? Very simple to use. I think it's going to be a powerful way to look even more professional when you give your presentations, and practice that at our club and then beyond. Good luck to all of you with your presentations.